Abia Kelenu, Mamanu. Your Excellency, our President, today we are in Abia. I shouldn't say much here. Abians should trust me. I go to where I tell people do as we do, not do as we say. When others come, they will tell you, I can move mountain, I can do this, I can do that. You are my next door neighbor. You can see our signature. So if I introduce the next president to you, you'll be convinced that birds of the feathers, they do what? They flock together. If I tell you what this incoming president did when he was vice president, it's not I will, it's what he had done before. The question is, if he was able to contribute that much when he was the vice president, how much more now that he's going to be the next president? Let me reassure you, I've said this over and over again whenever I have opportunity to come over here. I remember when we did the 160-meter bridge to link Akwa Ibom and Atiku. When I was speaking, I said the only party, the only man that will restore Abia to that next center of business that it used to be is who? Atiku Abubakar. In those days, whenever you need something that is made in Nigeria, where do they used to say made in Aba? We used to say Aba made. We're known for entrepreneurial skills. But today, because of insecurity, because of lack of infrastructure, because of support, lack of support from the center, because of poor economic policies, all those seems to collapse. But I want to assure you that good days are here again. Made in Aba goods are coming back. Anywhere you see, even today, I will see even when clothes are being worn, if you look at the sleeve, they say proudly Abia. And the only man that has promised that he will do a lot to the youths so that they encourage their entrepreneurial skill is Atiku Abubakar. Which party? Which party? Which party? Which party? Let me assure you, he's ready. He will tackle insecurity, he will tackle education, he will tackle social justice, and he will unify this country. He will make sure our business is back again. Look at today. All of you that came here, we thank you so much. Because no fuel anywhere, no money anywhere. How were you able to make it? Just to ensure that we rescue and we restore Nigeria. And so shall it be, as you've shown your love. PDP! PDP!